Hey everybody, it's Long 13 here. Cheers everybody. I am doing a review on a new knife I got. It is the Farson. Farson knives survival tool. And here's what it looks like. This is in the leather sheath. I've been wanting one of these for a while, and it's pretty badass. This one is the stainless steel version. I just like stainless steel because, you know, it's not gonna rust. And this bitch is sharp. It is sharp. It is sharp. You could shave with this bitch. Okay, I'm gonna go over some specs of this, if you don't mind. The dimensions: 6 inches by 3 2/28 inch by 1.40 inch. Weight is 8 ounces. High quality stainless steel, glass bead finish. It has 8 feet of 550 black paracord in the handle. And a lanyard, see? I purchased the one with the leather sheath just because I like leather, and I just like the way it looks, the way it smells. You know, leather lasts a long time. So I purchased the leather sheath. It's a little extra, but I gives a damn. Sometimes you gotta pay a little extra to get what you want. Okay, I'm gonna go into some other things. I'm just going to give you a little history of the FREMONT knives. Is a product to introduce the Farson survival tool. This is the Farson survival tool. The inspiration for this unique survival tool came from an ancient tool we found in the Great Red Desert near Farson, Wyoming. This is a remote area that has an incredible ecosystem abundant with many types of wildlife that have had to find a way to adapt to a beautiful but harsh environment. The prehistoric people who lived in this remote area had to be incredibly resourceful to survive and develop innovative tools that could cut, chop, slice, skin, and simply perform for all of these daily needs. We appreciate this design with simple, contemporary materials. High quality stainless steel with 8 foot of 550 paracord. And look at that. Isn't that cool as hell? I mean, I love it. It's awesome. I seen a video on this maybe a year or so ago, and I thought, man, that is one bad mother. So there's basically it. You can take the paracord off and hook it to any type of handle and turn it into an axe. You can use it for chopping up vegetables or your food or whatever. This is pretty much a all-around multi-purpose tool, knife, and it kicks ass. So I just wanted to show you guys how this looks and read all the specs and everything so you guys can check it out. So I hope you like it, and this is Long 13 here, hoping you like my review. Cheers, bitches. It's Long 13 here, signing the fuck out.